Morty Eisenberg. I'm a paramedic with Rockland Hatzola. Throughout the year, we answer calls all over the community. Some of them minor, some of them very critical and major. Then there are those unusual incidents that get major media attention. Join me today to interview some of our members who responded to those calls.
Happening in Rockland County, reports tonight of multiple people stabbed at a Hanukkah celebration in Muncie.
I have 3 patients right now down, heavy bleeding.
A man wielding a machete came through that front door there.
I really didn't know what was going on, other than the scene is extremely not safe.
Multiple people stabbed.
Police say the suspect, whose face was covered with a scarf,
unveiled a large knife and then started swinging.
Why do you go in? Everybody else is going the other way.
Because we wanted to do what's right.
At least 5 people were stabbed.
And actually handle very large incidents.
Hatzola arranged for a whole debriefing in the garage, and they were able to go through with the members.
A 30-year-old Hasidic man walking to worship at a center on Howard Drive was viciously beaten and stabbed, including in the face.
Any units in Spring Valley for Howard Drive and Ellis Parkway for report of a stabbing?
We are all a huge family, the entire Hatzola Rockland County, the dynamics of it. I don't think there's any other Hatzola neighborhood that has such a diverse membership, and we all work in unity.
Do we have any units for Decatur Avenue for a report of 2 children out of a window?
So you arrive on the scene, you're expecting a child out the window.
We assessed which kid's more critical. We loaded up right away on the first rig with a trauma notification to Westchester.
Code 1 in the Spring Valley area.
It's not a very usual call type.
White Street and West Street for a child being attacked by a dog.
Rachel Geldman could do little but watch in horror as the pit bull attacked one of the children she was watching yesterday.
On your way over, what's going through your mind? What are you thinking?
The most important thing is the scene safe?
It happened around 6 p.m. on North Pole Avenue in Spring Valley. These are the injuries. Bites so severe we blurred out some of the more gruesome punctures.
We all joined Hatzola to help out everyone in Klal Yisrael, so that's our primary driver.
New York has become the epicenter of the outbreak in the U.S. 19 million New Yorkers are being asked to stay at home as much as possible.
Over the last few weeks, many Hatzola members were themselves sick with COVID-19. Only one of them required hospitalization. B'chazdei Hashem, he returned home to his joyous and welcoming Hatzola family.